All right, so jumping straight into one of the first things that I want to touch on before I get into any of the practical steps that you need to take when it comes to starting a side hustle, which is that you need to have the belief that it's possible to earn money outside of a regular 9-to-5 job. And the reason why I felt like it was important for me to start this video off with this is because there's so many people out there that have the belief that the only way that they're going to be able to receive money into their bank account is if an employer gives it to them. And the reason why I know that this is true is because when I first wanted to start my side hustle many years ago, whether it was my friends or my family, whoever it was at the time, they used to always tell me that it wasn't possible and I should just focus on getting a stable 9-to-5 job. But of course I didn't listen to them because I always knew that it was possible to start a side hustle that could definitely earn me a lot more money than what I was earning from that job. So if you currently got someone around you right now telling you that the side hustle that you want to start isn't possible, you should definitely not listen to them because all they're going to do is slow down your progress. But the main point that I'm trying to make right now is that you just need to have the mindset that the side hustle that you want to start can definitely work, and it can also allow you to earn more money in a monthly basis than what you're earning throughout the entire year at your full-time job. But this now brings me on to one of the first practical steps that you need to take, which is that you need to make sure that you do your research when it comes to all of the different side hustles out there. Pick one that you're going to be able to do alongside your full-time job, and also make sure that you pick one that you're going to be able to be consistent with. Now, one common mistake that I see so many people making is that they try and start at least 3 to 5 different side hustles all at the same time. This is a massive mistake that I made myself when I first got started. I was trying to do my 9-to-5 job, and I was also trying to do at least 3 different things, and I was trying to juggle all of them. But the moment I found out about the concept of laser focus and I put all my energy into one side hustle, that's when I was able to go from an extra $1,000 per month, extra $5,000 per month. I was even able to grow my side hustle up to around $30,000 per month, again, even when I was working my full-time job. Most people underestimate the power of laser focus, but if you're able to remember this one thing and implement it into your life after watching this video, within a few months your life is going to change before you know it. But moving on to some of my recommended side hustles that some of you should consider starting. Maybe if you're working a job, maybe you're a full-time parent and you don't really have that much time, my advice would be to look into doing Google Shopping dropshipping, TikTok dropshipping, Amazon to eBay dropshipping, building a money-making website, and also thinking about starting some sort of faceless YouTube channel. The reason why all of these are ideal is because they don't really take up too much time, but if you're able to figure out the strategy that goes into them, the amount of money that you could potentially make from them can be quite substantial. Now, one important thing that you need to make sure that you bear in mind when it comes to this first phase of you figuring out which side hustle that you want to do, it's always ideal for you to do the research quickly, maybe spend a week, 2 weeks, decide on one, and not necessarily wait months, 5 months, 7 months for you to pick one. Most beginners end up getting stuck on this stage when it comes to deciding on what they want to do, but my advice to most people is to try and do things quick, try and hit the ground running, because the more action that you're able to put into it at the very start, the more you're going to be able to get results and you're going to be able to pivot and make changes. And right now we're actually living in amazing times because majority of the side hustles that I laid out earlier, you're going to be able to instantly get them up and running within a day or so. For example, let's assume that you wanted to start a dropshipping store. There's so many different AI tools that's going to be able to help you when it comes to building your dropshipping website within a couple minutes. This is something that I never had when I first got started. I had to do things manually and it ended up wasting so much time and ended up delaying things. For example, there's this AI store builder that any of you are going to be able to use for completely free. And the reason why I'm showing it to you is because most of you shouldn't have any excuses when it comes to doing something that's going to be able to change your financial situation, because within 2 minutes or so, you're going to be able to build a fully optimized store. The process to getting it built isn't difficult at all. As you can see, you're going to have to go through this entire application, select which type of store you want to build. And after 30 seconds or so of going through this entire application, as you can see, it's been able to build this store for me. So the main point that I'm trying to make right now is that once you've made the decision in terms of whatever side hustle you want to start, there's so many different AI bots out there that's going to be able to help you get it up and running really, really quick. And I'm going to leave some links down below in the description when it comes to all of these different free tools that you're going to be able to sign up to help you at the start of your journey. But moving on to one of the next points that I want to talk about that I wish someone told me from day one, which is the importance of working on your side hustle every single day. One of the main things that allowed me to start earning $10,000, $20,000 every month whilst I was working my 9-to-5 job was the fact that every morning, every evening, I made sure that as soon as I got back from work, I was working on my side hustle for hours. One mistake that I see so many people making is that they put a lot of energy when it comes to growing someone else's business, which is the job that they go into every day. But when it comes to growing a business that's going to be able to change not only their life but their family's life, they end up slacking and maybe watching Netflix or just falling asleep and not putting any energy into it whatsoever. And if you're someone that maybe has this problem, I would recommend maybe reading this book over here called Eat That Frog. This is a book that I read in the early days when I first started my side hustle, and it taught me about the importance of waking up first thing in the morning and getting the biggest task out of the way when it came to the business that I was trying to build. It also allowed me to know exactly what was the most important thing that I had to do as well. And just generally speaking, it's a good book when it comes to time management, and this is one of the most important characteristics when it comes to building an online business as a side hustle. Knowing how to manage your time in the most effective way is going to allow you to get to the next level. Back when I was working my 9-to-5 job, even though I had to be on my way to work around 7 a.m, I made sure that I woke up around 5 a.m and spent an hour of deep focused work building up my side hustle. And even during my lunch breaks, I didn't just scroll through my phone doing nothing. I made sure to respond to all of the different messages that I was getting with my dropshipping businesses, my eBay businesses, whatever I was working on at the time. And of course, when I got back home from work, I'll do the exact same thing. And this now brings me on to one of the final things that I want to end this video on, which was actually one of the most important things that I did for me to quit my 9-to-5 job and live a life of pure freedom, which is that I never saw my side hustle as a side hustle, and I saw it as a real online business from day one. One key thing that you need to make sure that you do from the moment that you start making money online is that you need to see it like a real business. And if you see it like a real business, you're going to take the right steps. If you take what you're doing as a hobby and it's something that's not serious, then subconsciously you're going to be telling yourself that it's not something that you're really putting a lot of importance into. But because I saw it as a real online business from the moment I decided to do it, I was focused on things like branding, I was focused on cash flow, taxes, making sure that all of my systems and things were in place. And because I had this serious approach to my side hustle, that's when things started falling into place. Now in this video, I just wanted to focus on some of the things that I wish I knew from the very beginning, because it would have allowed me to get to this point a lot sooner. But if you want me to make a dedicated video where I show you what you need to do step by step, click by click, when it comes to building one of the best side hustles possible, then put in the comments down below, do the side hustle video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But in the meantime, if you want to sign up to a completely free email newsletter where every single week, I'm going to send you a personal email when it comes to all of these different methods of making money that I've done myself. Whether it's dropshipping, building an eBay business, selling on Amazon, doing affiliate marketing, whatever the case is, you're going to receive a personal email from myself every single week to help you on your money making journey. So sign up for the free newsletter by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently, where I go through some of the best work from home jobs that you're going to be able to start right now using the power of AI from the comfort of your own home, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.